Okay, so here I have a BlitzWolf Bluetooth music receiver and transmitter from Banggood.com, and I will do an unboxing of this, and after that I will do a hands-on and try to connect this to my HD TV in the bedroom. So we will see how it works then, and after that I will show you some specs and information and so on about this. And as always, you can find links down below in the description text where to buy this, and you also have a discount link down there, so check the links out. Okay, so we start with an unboxing then. Quite nice packaging. Here is the transmitter receiver itself, and what's more in the box. Here we have a micro USB cable to USB type A, and that is to charge it, because this transmitter is also wireless, so you don't need to have it plugged into a wall charger all the time. That's pretty nifty. And what's more in the box, here we have an audio cable, so you can connect it to, for example, your stereo, hi-fi system, your TV, or any other sound equipment you have actually. And here we have another audio cable. And here we have an SPDIF cable. That's nice to have in the box too, so really nice. And what's more in the box? We have some stickers and a user manual. Quite nice. Nice to have a user manual. So let's see at the transmitter receiver itself, how it looks. Feels nice, a bit heavy. That makes the quality much better. And here we have some buttons and ports and so on. Nice. As you can see, SPDIF in and out, and audio out, and a switch to switch between a transmitter or receiver. That's nice. And you have some rubber at the bottom, so it will be stable on the table, for example. And here we have an on and off button, and volume buttons, and a pairing button. Nice. So that's it, and here we have the cables, as I said. So now we will see how this works. So I will try to connect this to my TV. So we go do that now. Okay, so now I've connected this transmitter receiver from Banggood, this BlitzWolf receiver, to my HD TV, as you can see here. This HD TV also has a Samsung soundbar, but I connected the transmitter receiver to the TV from audio out on the back side of it to audio in on the transmitter receiver, and also have a micro USB cable connected to the TV for the power to this. And now I have paired it with these wireless headphones from Philips to use to watch movies and so on. These are perfect for watching movies actually, so that's nice. And now I click play on a YouTube video. As you can see, it starts to play, and no sound from the TV. the sound bar is off, and hopefully you can hear the sound from these. Because it sounds from them, and that's great. And it's quite good audio quality too, but you don't if you have the volume set to very high on this, then it gets a bit loud noise in the headphones, sadly. So if you lower the volume on this and raise the volume on the TV, then the volume gets much better, and the audio quality is excellent then. So this actually works. This is great actually. So I can use this together with the TV easily now to watch movies and so on. Awesome actually. So that was how I have used this transmitter and receiver from Banggood. Very nice. So okay, so here we have the BlitzWolf Bluetooth music receiver and transmitter from Banggood.com. So here are some different images of this cool gadget. As you can see, really nice. So down here we have some specifications and information. As you can see here, Bluetooth version 4.1 aptX music receiver transmitter for better audio quality. Multi-port connection support. You can connect up to 2 different gadgets at the same time. And here you see some more images about it, and here you see both as a transmitter and a receiver. Pretty nice. So basically you can connect, for example, a computer, MP3 player, TV to this transmitter, and then the transmitter sends wirelessly to speakers, headphones, or anything you have that is wireless. So that's pretty nifty. Or if you want to use the receiver mode, then you have, for example, that you can connect your car speakers to this. You can connect speakers, headphones, and hi-fi systems and so on to this receiver. And then this receiver sends from these wirelessly to a smartphone, for example, or a tablet or a laptop. Pretty nifty. So, and here is how they have built this on the inside of it. Nice. And up to 10 meters you can have a wireless connection. Nice. As you can see here, to a sound bar, for example. And if you use this wirelessly, so it's on battery, then you have up to 8.5 hours of working time with this. So nice. And here are some examples of how you can use this in the car, for example, to wirelessly transmit the music you're listening to, for example. So, for example, the children in the back of the car can listen wirelessly. And here you have to a television, and here you have to a speaker and a laptop and iPhone, for example. And here are all the buttons, as you can see. Quite nice. SPDIF, AUX, and all the rest. So here are the measurements of it, and here are another example. So, and here are the specs. as you can see. Pretty nice. So that was this, and as I said before, you can find links down below in the description text where to buy this cool gadget, and you also find some discount links down there, so go check the links out. Okay, bye.